Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Electrum in Minecraft using an easy method. Electrum is a powerful alloy, essential for progressing in many modded playthroughs. It combines the best qualities of gold and silver, offering superior durability and conductivity. Understanding this simple process will unlock numerous crafting possibilities for you, from advanced machinery to powerful tools. Let's dive into gathering the necessary materials to begin your Electrum production. To create Electrum, you will first need to gather gold and silver. Gold ore is frequently located deep underground in the overworld, often appearing in veins of up to 8 blocks. Silver ore can be found in similar underground areas, though its distribution might vary slightly depending on your specific mod pack. Ensure you have a sturdy pickaxe, at least iron quality, to efficiently mine these valuable resources. Collect a good supply of both to start your alloying process. Once you have your gold and silver ores, smelt them into ingots using a standard furnace. The key to making Electrum is then combining these ingots in an alloying machine, such as an induction smelter or an alloy kiln, depending on your mod setup. Place 1 gold ingot and 1 silver ingot into the machine. This efficient process will typically produce 2 Electrum ingots, making your resource gathering go further. It's a straightforward step to create this powerful new material. Electrum ingots are incredibly versatile and form the backbone of many advanced crafting recipes. You'll find them indispensable for creating complex electronic components, which are crucial for automation and technology mods. Furthermore, Electrum can be used to craft tools and armor with enhanced durability and better enchantment capabilities than standard gold or iron. Many powerful machines and energy generation systems also rely on Electrum, making it a cornerstone for technological progression in your world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.